Hi, I'm Alfred. Let me show you how to create campaigns from Sales Navigator. Our Sales Navigator URL feature enables you to use any URL generated from a search you've done in your Sales Navigator account. Sales Navigator provides a series of advanced search capabilities and filters to help you target your ideal audience. The objective is to get the most targeted, high-quality list of leads possible to ensure your campaign delivers the success you want. Once you've narrowed down your search, copy the URL from Sales Navigator and paste it in the URL field you see on your screen. This campaign type will allow you to add up to 2,500 leads at a time, and you can modify that number by dragging this toggle. You can also leverage some additional filtering options provided by our platform, such as excluding profiles that have no photos or targeting premium profiles. This gives you great control over the quality of leads gathered from the search. The next step is to create your campaign sequence by adding different steps that you wish to automate. You can automate things like engagement steps, connection requests, and LinkedIn messages. All of your messages are fully customizable, and you can personalize them through values or using templates. You can also modify the days or hours that you'd like to wait before triggering the next step. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click on Next, and then give your campaign a name. If you're happy with how your campaign will look, click on Publish, and our platform will take it from here. I'm Alfred. I look forward to helping you again.